Biology is a really large field. You go all the way from putting the muddy boots on and bringing a shovel to micropipetting super tiny bits of DNA to sequence animals.
Molecular biology is about working with objects that are smaller than the human eye can see, but it may solve some of our biggest challenges. Take something from a totally different environment, put it on top of skin cells that maybe can prevent skin cancer.
I'm studying biodiversity. I'm using modern samples, animals and plants from today, but also study the genetic diversity in the past and see how it has changed.
I really care about nature, therefore I also want to be able to protect it.
So the key is to understand how we affect the ecosystem and how to preserve them.
We're facing both the nature crisis and the climate crisis.
So with this study you could actually find sustainable solutions to how to work with those crises, balancing the societal needs and also preserving the nature.
Ecosystems with a higher diversity, they are more resilient to change and they can help us mitigate the effects of climate change. Conserving biodiversity is really important, and to conserve it, you have to know it.
Well, I grew up in an environment full of biodiversity in Peru. Nowadays, many of these plants and animals are going extinct, and I knew that I had to do something.
In addition to the master courses that we have, we also have an opportunity to get some practical experience doing fieldwork or lab work and cooperate with other institutions.
Being able to go out with Gunnerus, it's a massive resource, both for education and for research at NTNU. And it has all the latest technology for doing research on aquaculture, marine life.
With the specialization in biodiversity and nature management, you can work with research or nature management towards the green transition.
I feel most accomplished when I'm at the laboratory working with the samples because I know I'm taking a step forward.
You may not be able to find a cure for cancer during your master thesis, but you're contributing with a step in the right direction.